Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make a pink beach preset with Adobe Lightroom Mobile. But before we start, prepare your photos so we can do it together. First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to +23. Contrast to +10. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +57. Whites to -100. And blacks to -22. If you're done, go to Curve. Choose the white curve. Follow the instruction carefully. And done. Then go to Color. Adjust the temperature to +22. Tint to +6. Vibrance +36. And the saturation to -25. If you're done, go to Color Mix. Adjust the color as shown. Red. Saturation to -23. And the luminance to -27. Orange. Hue to -10. And the saturation to +34. Yellow. Swipe hue to -100. And saturation to -22. Green. Hue to -26. Saturation to -59. And luminance to -39. Aqua. Hue to +60. Saturation to +75. Blue. Hue to -24. Saturation to -4. And luminance to -25. Purple. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -60. Magenta. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -49. Click Done. Go to Effect. Adjust the texture to +20. and clarity to -4. Last, go to details. Adjust to the sharpening to +14. Noise reduction to +15. And the color noise reduction to +15. This is the before and after. To make the sand more pink, go to Profile, and choose Artistic 03. Adjust to 150.
She left her home to find where she
And done.
belongs.
Now, let's use this preset to our other photos.
Her all alone. But she got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.